Hi, and welcome to another edition of Your Health with Dr. Christy. I'm Dr. Christy Reisinger, and today we're going to talk about asymptomatic COVID-19. What does asymptomatic mean? Asymptomatic means someone that doesn't have any symptoms. So can someone have COVID-19 and have no symptoms? Yes, they can. There have been several studies that have come out that have shown this to be true. And there are also some interesting case studies from the United Kingdom about patients losing their sense of smell and losing their sense of taste. Now, these are case studies, so that means we don't have a lot of data, but it is interesting nonetheless. So if you live with someone who has a positive COVID-19 test or is exhibiting symptoms of COVID-19, and you suddenly lose your sense of taste or your sense of smell, but you don't have any other symptoms at all, you may be an asymptomatic carrier of COVID-19. Well, what does this mean for you? This means you can pass COVID-19 on to someone else, possibly for up to 3 weeks. And we also know that even if you're an asymptomatic carrier, you can still pass on the full strength of COVID-19 to someone else. Just because you don't have symptoms doesn't mean that you're carrying a less or weaker form of COVID-19. You're carrying the same strain, so be very careful. Well, what should you do? I know that's very concerning to think about. Once again, I would still recommend the same things that we're doing now: social distancing and washing your hands. However, if there is someone in your house who is exhibiting symptoms of COVID-19, such as fever, cough, and fatigue, even if they haven't gotten a positive test, you should also be concerned that you may be also positive for COVID-19 and simply not having any symptoms. If you're an asymptomatic carrier for COVID-19, there's nothing special that you need to do. You don't need to take any special medications. You don't need to consider antivirals. You don't need to take Tylenol. The best thing that you can do is to continue to maintain social distancing and wash your hands. Thanks again for joining me.